Hi, I'm Vicki Butler-Henderson. This is the all-new Avensis. According to Toyota, it's one of the most efficient and comfortable ways of getting you from business to more business. It takes off like an aeroplane. That Valvematic engine is really punchy. The soundproofing is first class. I can actually hear myself think, which makes a nice change. The design and the build quality inside is superb. And back there, there's enough room for a helicopter. Leather. When it comes to comfort and safety, it's all sorted. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-crash safety system, and for peace of mind, 7 airbags. Lovely levels of grip. And when it comes to the brakes, pin sharp. Okay, nice, but it isn't really a test, is it? So that's exactly what I put this Toyota through. So let's test it against one of the most efficient entrepreneurs in Holland, Mr. Henny van der Most, and his personal helicopter. Business, choosing the right business car, check all my test results on this website or contact your nearest dealer and take a test drive yourself.